are going to love the 2020 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, tow hitch, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, MP3 player, passenger airbag, compass. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.